Hi everyone, welcome to Brimitech. Today in this video, I'll show you how to create lists and cards on Trello, the project management software. I hope you watched my last video where I showed how to join an existing board on Trello. I hope you could create a board on your account. Now it's time for you to create a few lists and cards. So let me show you how to do that. Well, friends, you might have a question about what a list and what purpose it serves on Trello. Simply put, lists are stages of tasks. They represent workflow. When a list includes a few tasks, it means that those tasks are under the same stage. Okay, let me show you where to find lists on our Trello board. As you can see, these keywords, names, to do, doing, done, represents three default lists when a board is created on our Trello workspace. As for cards, each task on Trello is called a card. A card can be transformed from one list to another, adjacent or not, depending upon the progress or update of the overall work. Now, I want to add another list by the name of planning. I'm going to do that by clicking on the button named Add Another List. Here I type planning and then hit the Add List button. The list has been added. Now I'm dragging this new list to the leftmost area, I mean in the beginning. I'm going to add two cards to this list. One is collecting books info and another one is hiring writers and editors. So I click on this plus add a card button and type collecting book info and finally click on the add card button. One card has been added. The same way I'm adding another card. I'm typing hiring writers and editors. Then click on add card button. Another card has been added under the list planning. I'm not going to add any more cards to this list. So I'm going to click on this cross sign. Like I said earlier, a card is more like a task in Trello. I want to add a few cards to the to-do list. They are write contents, type compose the content, proofread the contents, edit the contents, and final read the contents. Now I'm adding these cards. I'm clicking on the add card button under the to-do list. Here I type the name of the first task, which is write contents, and then hit add card button. The card has been created. Well, guys, as you can see, the same way I have added a number of tasks and cards under the list to do. Now you can transfer these cards to the adjacent or any other list simply by dragging and dropping. Suppose I have recruited a few writers and they have started writing the contents. In that case, the card write contents should be now under the doing list, not the to-do list. That's because processing has already begun. So let me drag the card right here and then drop. And the card hiring writers and editors should be under the done list. Once my board mates and I have collected enough book info, this card should be under the done list as well. So I drag and drop this task as well. One more thing to note here is that you can rearrange the order the card appears on a list simply by dragging and dropping. Let me show you. Okay friends, that's all for today. I hope you guys now know how to create lists and cards on Trello after watching this video. So thank you for watching. If you learned anything new today in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also feel free to hit the subscribe button to get further content from Brimitech. Press the bell icon so that every time we publish a new video, you get to watch it before anybody else does. So I'm signing up now. Have a great day.